All right, guys, we're just going to look at how we create a form. All right, so start at Google. Okay, you can go to forms.google.com. All right, should pop up right away. Okay, then from there, I would just do a blank one. All right, you can pretty it up all you want over here by putting themes and backgrounds and that kind of stuff if you so choose. But all you really need are the 6 to 7 questions that you've sort of identified. All right, so question 1, you would put here. Make sure that it's in paragraph form, and then I would click required. Once you want to add another question, just go to add a question, write your second question there, and that kind of thing. You could potentially add stuff, like if you wanted to add a video or add a little bit more information so that people could watch the video and then you ask a question. You could do a little bit of that as well. The other thing is make sure you label it something that you can find, and then you can have a description here too. And then the other key piece is up here. It's a little bit different in terms of saving and sharing. You press the 3 button or the 3 dots here, go to add collaborator, and then make sure you put the names of your partners and of course your teachers as well, so that we can look into it. So this would then be included in that website that you guys have created. So remember, if you have questions, holler at us.